Okay, parents, you're finally hitting the home stretch of the summer holidays, but now is the time when, well, we got a couple of more weeks and kids are getting really, really bored at home.
Yeah.
And we've got some ideas to stop the boredom.
We do. Joining us this morning with simple science experiments to help your kids learn and be entertained at the same time, which is really not easy to do.
We want them to do a little thinking this summer, just a little bit, right?
Right. The founder of supermoms360.com, Deborah Stumm. And Deborah, here's the thing we're most excited, Mark, because we've always wanted to put the Mentos in the Coke and blow it up.
We're going to finally do it.
Yes, we are. Are you going to do it, or am I going to? You're going to probably step back and run.
You tell me what to do, Deborah.
All right, okay. Well, let's start with this one.
Okay.
This one's called the Magical Mystery Soda. Now, check this out,
All right.
So what we have here is a glass full of ice.
Yeah.
And this is...
Some Gatorade? Or?
This is some Gatorade, full sugar Gatorade, right?
Okay.
So watch this. Now, this is relative density that we're talking about here. So now this one has a little less sugar in it, so you pour it slowly in there and watch what happens. All right, and then we got some Diet Coke, or Diet 7, excuse me.
It
layers. It layers.
Look at that.
You could even do an adult version of this a
I was
little
gonna
later
say.
on, right? Happy hour.
Yeah.
Kids could grow up to be a bartender.
So the most sugar stays on the bottom, medium sugar, and then the least amount on the top. So the kids are, my kids are fascinated by this. Absolutely fascinated. All right, this one is called Color Bursts in Milk. So we've got whole milk. You do want one that has a little more fat in it. So watch, we're going to put, maybe 6 or 7 drops in there.
And what is that, just food coloring?
It's just food coloring,
Okay.
yep. And then we're going to add some dish soap. This is just simple dish soap.
Wow.
And watch it explode.
Cool.
So what happened is that
Yeah.
this took the fat in the milk.
I like it.
Yep, very cool. An explosion without being a real explosion.
It blew his mind. The weatherman is...
All right. Now, do you want to take a stab at this?
Yeah.
I'm feeling the musical inspiration here. So these are our magical musical water glasses. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, music to my ears.
Do you have an agent? I think you should. Yeah, exactly. So this is really fun for the kids.
They don't want to hit. You don't want to use delicate china.
Please no.
Or
Please
glassware,
no.
and you don't want to hit too hard. But
Just fill different heights.
Fill different heights, and the ones with the most water have the slowest vibrations and create the deepest tones.
Deborah, can I say this was Thanksgiving dinner at my house? Always. My mom's like, cut it out.
I don't recommend this in a fancy restaurant. Although you shouldn't have your kids with you in a fancy restaurant anyway.
What's going on over here?
So you see a lot of our pennies end up looking like this, and we really want them to look
They get all
nice
briny
and shiny.
Yeah.
So this is a mixture of vinegar and salt.
Okay.
And what we'll do is we'll plop these in here and we'll move on. But when we can come back to those, what you're going to see is these pennies. The vinegar and the salt
will
take. Yeah, you can see it happening right in front of you.
Come out
About
shiny.
10 seconds takes all of that copper oxide right off, and off it
reaction
goes.
going on.
All right, you're going to like this one.
Okay.
This is our homemade lava lamp, and this one is simply, you've got water at the bottom, you put oil on the top, it's lighter, so it sits on the top, just like salad dressing, right? You put some drops, maybe about 10 drops of food coloring. All right, maybe you could help me out with this one. Why don't you drop a couple of those Alka-Seltzer tops and just put them right on in there, and watch what happens. It creates gas bubbles.
Look at that.
And it brings it up through the oil.
How long will those last?
That'll last for a little while here, and then it'll settle out kind of like this one. And then you can add Alka-Seltzer whenever you want to have a party.
That's what's going on in your house.
Minor explosion, minor explosion.
Only leading up to the big one here.
All right.
Very cool.
I would step back.
Lead up to the grand finale.
This one is a tried and true always, right?
Yes.
So this one, what we're going to do is we're going to put some Mentos into the diet soda. And what happens is
Why diet?
The diet, how do you pronounce it? Aspartame.
Okay.
Yeah, helps. So because the diet soda works the best.
All right.
And then there's little pores on the Mentos. So what we're going to do here, I think.
Go ahead, Deborah.
Here it goes.
Wow. Don't do this inside your house. Definitely.
That's
I think I'm the only one who got it.
Wow.
Are you safe? Are you
good.
All right,
we're safe. That's fast. I didn't expect to see it.
No, I didn't either. I didn't either.
That's
Deborah,
amazing.
thanks so much. These are really fun ideas.
And don't do these unsupervised, right?
Right. You
in
should
the
have a
house.
parent.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, for these ideas, if you missed any, you can go to our website or Deborah's, which is supermoms360.com. But here's the other thing. We have a great text to win giveaway to help you through the final days of summer. We're giving away a fun prize package. It includes roller skating, pizza, and drinks for 8 at Skateland in Northridge, 3 hours of play, and Farrell's ice cream for 8 at Mountasia Fun Center in Santa Clarita. Text the code word SUMMER to 515151. If you're the 100th texter, you're going to win. Mark,
Mine just failed.
Thanks, Deborah. We'll be right back.
Thank you.
I want to do the Mentos again, though.
I was in the
That
no
went.
student
That
in
went.
my program.
I know.